COVID-19 does not discriminate. While older adults and those with underlying conditions are most at risk, young, healthy people are also getting sick and ending up in intensive care. Madeline O'Neill shares the story of a young Town of Dane woman who is begging people to take this seriously.
That's my dog, Buckley. Buckley.
With so much in life to love,
I live with my boyfriend.
Cassie Laufenberg had no idea how quickly that could all go away.
You don't have to have an underlying condition to get as sick as what I did.
It started small in early October when Cassie had a scratchy throat and a bit of a cough. She couldn't predict that a week later she'd be sick enough to go to the emergency room.
I was like experiencing really shortness of breath. Like I couldn't say my name, I couldn't say my phone number.
She was taken by ambulance from the Sauk Prairie Healthcare Hospital to SSM Health St. Mary's in Madison, finding herself asking this question in the intensive care unit at 29 years old.
I asked the doctor if I was going to make it.
Nothing could prepare her for the answer.
Well, she's like, we're going to do everything in our power, but I can't tell you that. And that's when like the tears just like started rolling down my face.
The questions came flowing too.
Where my dog's gonna go? What about my life? I'm just starting with Nick, my mom, my work, my best friends.
All the things she loves in life, far away as she sat in the ICU for a week.
Yeah, I was fighting, it felt like by myself.
Then another week on the COVID floor.
The doctor there told me a couple times that there was a few times I was close to dying. And then, sit, Memphis.
Now back home with the things that make life worth living.
They would not leave my side.
Cassie is unsure how long COVID will stick with her,
because the doctors don't know what long-term effects.
as she shares her story on social media.
As I'm getting winded right now.
It's not a long-winded message,
Wear a mask is my main thing.
but it's one Cassie hopes people will take to heart.
You just don't know who it's going to affect and how it's going to affect somebody.
In Madison,
Being home, it feels great.
Madeline O'Neill, News 3 Now.
One of the treatments Cassie received in the hospital was convalescent plasma, which comes from COVID-19 survivors. She credits that with saving her life. She's encouraging people with COVID antibodies to donate.